affiliate dashboard here that we're starting with. This is actually the affiliate website. So when you sign up with Lead Dino, you get access to your own affiliate website. By default, we host it for you. It's going to be located at your domain, .leaddino.com. This is a page that you can send prospective affiliates to. So this means you'll probably want to link to this website from your own main website. You can also link to it from any email newsletters you send, any social media promotions that you're doing to send folks over to this page so that they can get signed up to join your affiliate program. So it's all customizable. I'm going to show you how to do that in a few minutes on the back half of things. Let me walk you through the affiliate experience first. I'll take you through it from the perspective of one of our own affiliates, actually my own affiliate account. So this is what folks see after they get signed up into your program. The dashboard has everything that they need to promote your site and your product. It makes things very, very easy for your affiliates. This is a real nice way to do it. One of the big advantages of using Lead Dino is that we make things very simple, very easy for your affiliate, for your influencer partners to use. So first and foremost, what we are providing them with is a unique affiliate code and a unique affiliate link. So the link is the most popular way to share, to send referral traffic. You're probably familiar with the basics of an affiliate link. Let me share what is unique about a Lead Dino powered affiliate link. One is that these are direct links heading to your website. So that is a good thing from Google. Google's perspective, they're going to count these positively from an SEO tally. So these are good inbound links heading to your website. Also from a visitor standpoint, they click the link, they're on your site, so there's no bouncing around the netherworld of the internet. They are clicking, ending up on your site. In a lot of cases, they may or may not know that it is an affiliate link. They're following the advice of the sort of trusted advisor, influencer friend who is sending them that way. Now, this friend can easily share on social media. So we've got these shortcuts. These make life even easier. It's a simple thing, but it really does make a big difference. Affiliates they're just busy people. Everyone's busy these days, busy like you are, like I am. So the more time savers we can get, it just makes everyone that much more likely to share. So that's what we've got going on these social media shares here. Easy enough to share on Facebook. What we're doing is all an affiliate has to do is click the Facebook button. That logs them in. It tees up this post with an additional click. We can share this out with our Facebook friends and followers. They, in turn, will see this post appear in their Facebook feeds. Again, it is from the person that they know. And as they click through or tap through, credit goes to the affiliate who initially shared this post. Same idea on Twitter, same with all of our social media shortcuts here. So Twitter, it's going to log us into Twitter. It tees up this tweet. Same idea with an additional click. We can tweet this out. Our my Twitter followers will see this come through their tweet streams. It comes from me if I'm the affiliate who shares it. And again, as they click through the tweet, tap through if they see it from their phones, I'm the one who's going to get credit for these. Sales funnel is updated in real time, and this is nice instant feedback for your affiliates, so they are each able to see the number of visitors, number of signups, number of purchases that each one of them has gotten credit for. And then commissions are updated in real time. So as these are earned, they will drop down below in terms of commissions that are going to be due at the next payment cycle. If you want to kind of buffer in for refunds, we'll list the commission as upcoming, and then if we pass that, whatever your refund period is, then we will register the commission. It'll then be due, and then historical commissions also been paid out. If you need advice on what are competitive commissions to pay, I also do have, and I'm happy to share this link with you if you would like. We did a study towards the end of last year looking at the top 10 affiliate programs in our network and broke down what their commissions are. So 21 different product categories here, breaking down what these companies are paying. Might be a nice guideline for you. So again, if you're interested in this resource, happy to send that along. A couple more things we will cover on the dashboard. Our marketing materials section has things such as banner ads, infographics, so your affiliates can copy and paste the HTML here and post it anywhere that they have access to online, so the folks with websites, blogs can share these. They will get credit for folks who click through and end up on your website. We have an archive of affiliate newsletters here so that folks who are getting caught up can see what you've been talking about. We also do send these newsletters directly to their email inbox. So again, great ways to engage Great ways to engage affiliates. Common question I get from folks. They get excited as they get their first few affiliates in the door and they want to know what they should do next. So I always encourage them to send in an affiliate newsletter. And I've got some shortcuts, actually some swipe files of my own that you are more than welcome to borrow. I'll show you how to get to those in a couple of minutes here. As we transition to the Lead Dino side of things, let me also remind you, everything that I just showed you from the affiliate dashboard on the website is also available for mobile. So we have affiliate dashboard apps, that's the name of them. So white label apps for Android and for iPhone. You can make them your own just by having your affiliates download these. They input their email address. We will recognize them as members of your affiliate program, and we'll put your dashboard directly onto their phone. So nice, convenient ways for your affiliates to be able to do some sharing from their phones. Particularly, I would say, effective for sharing. And a big reason why we did this is, as you know, a lot of stuff is mobile only these days. So Instagram, getting that link into Instagram, much easier to do it from the phone. WhatsApp, we have a WhatsApp integration. We also have text message sharing that we recently released a couple of months ago. So all this mobile stuff, really you need the presence on the phone. So the easiest way to do that is from the mobile app. Although the affiliate dashboard is responsive, affiliates can also get to this from their phone. So that's just a nice way to put a shortcut there on the device for them. All right, let's bounce to Lead Dino then, and let me show you where we get this stuff set up. So our content section is about halfway down on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you can roll through, first of all, everything I showed you on the social media content, the Facebook post, the tweet. This is where you can pre-write this, preload this for your affiliates. And then again, I think you're doing them a nice favor if they can hit that Facebook button and have something that's ready to go. Again, in my experience, most of my own affiliates just run with things that I wrote for them. So I think it is a nice advantage for them to be able to click and share and go. So if you're interested in doing this, I would highly encourage you to do so. Let's see, tweet, same idea. So we've got the ability to pre-write that tweet. Everything within the affiliate website, customizable as well. So within the settings section here, you can, you'll probably run with our mobile friendly version, as I mentioned, color scheme, our logo URL here, everything throughout the header, introduction, instructions, all customizable as well. As easy as updating the text, inserting the images and links if you would like, update the HTML directly. We do support custom CSS. If you want to further style the affiliate dashboard, you can do that by loading up your own custom CSS file. Terms of service, if you want to have your affiliates opt into a terms of service agreement that you have dialed in and ready for them, you can do that right here as well. Let's go to our tools section. So I mentioned the affiliate newsletter, some shortcuts, some swipe files I have for you. So when you are composing the affiliate newsletter, you can do this from within Lead Dino. Nice way to do it is just to add a new affiliate newsletter. We've got 4 templates in here. These are all based off of emails that I have sent out to our own affiliates with success. So you're welcome to borrow and sign your name, make it your own. One of the 4 templates we've got here. So I've got a monthly update. I've got an email talking about our mobile app. So we got 4 options in here for you, Instagram sharing. So you're welcome to cycle these through. They might be all you ever need to do on the affiliate newsletter side of things. But just kind of thinking about my tips, tricks for writing these effective newsletters. One thing that I do like to do is when we have things that are new, I think it's nice to be able to let our affiliates know first. So if we've got a new feature, new product, things I want to let them know about, I'm going to put that into an affiliate newsletter and kind of give them the heads up. Encourage them to go out to social media, share it. So as you can see, that's what we're doing with our text message affiliate marketing. So it gives our affiliates something unique to share. And it, from our standpoint, is nice. It's basically free PR, so they can share this stuff and get it all out there on a social media. And then, of course, we're going to award them commissions as everything comes home. That is also, incidentally, the other timing I'd recommend for our newsletters is that when payments are going out the door, that's always a nice way to get everyone's attention, send them a note as well. We also have automated emails. These are nice because they're based on certain events. So for example, when a new affiliate signs up with you, we can send them this nice welcome email, which gets them up and running. It has their affiliate link. It has the link to their affiliate dashboard. So it's got everything that they need to get rolling here. We can also let folks know how they did for the week that was, so the number of visitors, leads, and purchases that they each got credit for, and we can even let folks know every time they get credit for a new lead or a new purchase by sending them an individual email like this as well. All right, let's talk affiliate network, and then we can do any questions that you have. I can demo anything specific. I can talk integrations. That's just going to be, we can talk affiliate network more. So that's going to be your time. So let's get into that. So you can join our network. See, we got a network tab in the lower left corner. Hit that button. That redirects you over to ecommerceaffiliates.com, where we will set up a profile talking about your product and especially highlighting your affiliate program. We'll get you listed in our directory. Look something like this. So we will talk about your product, talk about your affiliate program. We do newsletters that feature 5 programs in each industry. We send 5 of these out a week. So lots of great ways, great opportunities here to get featured. You can see we've got our pet newsletters. This is always a nice one to see. You got pictures of cute doggies and puppies within here. So we've got 21 different product categories that we are featuring. If I can help get you listed in one of our newsletters, let me know. I can actually work with you directly on that to make sure your affiliate profile is all teed up and set up to do this. All right, finally, if you want to talk one-on-one, we've got folks who are more than happy to do that as well. So you can book calls later today, tomorrow, over the weekend. We got people available 7 days a week between our support staff. Contact info, phone, email, live chat. This is 7 days a week also, so you can hop on anytime, get a hold of us. Finally, if you think of anything later on that you meant to ask me, or you think of it later, go ahead and reply to any of the emails you got about this webinar, or Brett at Lead Dino is how you can get a hold of me. I can either help you out or route you to the best person to give you a hand. All right, so I will stick around if we do have any questions. I'll do a last call there. I have someone with their hand raised. So if you want to type in anything, if you do have something, go ahead and type that in. Otherwise, we can circle back one-on-one afterwards. I know it is getting later into the evening on the East Coast, so if you want to bounce into your evening, no problem there as well. So it looks like I'll let you go. So I thank you for joining. So hope it was helpful today. Again, stay in touch. Let us know how we can help with your affiliate program. Hope you have a great Wednesday evening and a great rest of your week. Stay in touch, everyone, and hope to hear from you soon.